spider earrings. Okay, I was doing Halloween makeup tutorial because Halloween is coming up. It's gonna be, you know, October 31st. So I'm doing this Halloween costume and something on my face. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this Halloween makeup look, just leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon for more upcoming videos. I was doing a Halloween makeup tutorial, but then my battery went dead, so I'm using my other camera to film this video. Now, here's my makeup look. There. I hope you like this makeup look. It's the lipstick is different. It's a black kind of a purplish, dark purplish lipstick color. Look at the eyes. What's that already? Fake lashes, and I did my eyeshadows and everything. But aside from that, I went to Claire's and bought this stuff here. I will be showing you what I got. I got this one. I got the earrings, and I have this. It's a face sticker, so I will be applying this to my face, and let's get started. I kind of hate when you film and then you run out of battery, so I have to charge it again. Yes, so I'm, you know, charging it right now. I'm charging it. I'm charging it right now. And okay, guys, let's do this. Okay, look at that. I have to put that on my face. Yay. Okay, let's do this, guys. You just have to be careful because it looks like it's, oh my goodness. Let's do this. Okay. Oops. There you go. I'm doing this Halloween makeup tutorial. Oh, look at that. Do I look kind of... And now we'll do the bottom. It's really heavy on your eyes. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Okay, let's do it over here. Oh, that looks creepy. Really looks creepy. There you go. Okay, how do I look? I can't even see what's going on in my eyes right now. My gosh. It looks so... Oh, let me see. I'm gonna do it again. Uh, okay, there you go. And then this small, a little bit of spiders on this sticker, so I have to put that on my face as well. They're crawling on my face. It looks kind of creepy, guys, but that's Halloween, so it's Halloween, so you have to look creepy, right? There you go. And then on the other side also. The spiders crawling on my face. They're everywhere. Okay. That's the last one. There you go. She's wearing like a purplish color lipstick, but I don't have it. So I mean, I have the very dark purple. So that's that. Okay. How do I look? And then I have this spider earrings. Okay guys, I got how many? Okay. There. I got a spider, what's that, everywhere. I got spider earrings and spider crawling on my face and then the spider on my eyes. So yeah, what do you think? And then I have this thing, a headband. Okay. Look. How do I look? What do you think, guys? Okay, the color of this headband over here, the roses, matches my dress. And then it looks like that. Thank you guys for watching. Happy Halloween. Bye bye. Mwah.